Business owners know that the best compliment that anyone can give is to tell their friends. Over the past 3 years, the digital business cards, name tags and membership IDs made it possible for anyone to collect business information using a smartphone and then instantly tell their friends on social media. 40,000 customers later and the nation is switching to pads. Introducing the Digital Business Pad. The pad contains a tiny NFC chip, a QR code and a short code which makes it easy for smartphone users to take your phone, address, email, website and social networks and more. It works on iPhone, Android, BlackBerry and Windows phones. The Share panel allows your customers to recommend your business to all their friends on their favourite social network with one click. So you get free social media advertising from every customer, no matter what kind of work you do, no matter where you do it. Pre-order your digital business pads online or over the phone today. Let your customers do your social media marketing for you, because the best compliment that anyone can give is to tell their friends.